next century can be happier, peaceful, friendly world. So therefore, and also I think a more balanced material development and internal spiritual development. That I think the real, I think, our future destination, I think, should be more balanced material development and spiritual development. If these two things combine, then I think our human life will be more fuller. When I say spirituality, not necessarily with religious faith. Of course, someone who has religious faith is, as I mentioned earlier, very good. Give it very great beneficial. But at the same time, without religion, you can be a very spiritual-minded. It can be done. A more warm-hearted person, a sensible person, that you can see. That's I usually call secular, as I mentioned earlier, secular ethics. So these are now, you see,